goes a little something like this. Hit it!
VHOND with the GLOC guy. Halika na, sige sumayaw, sige sumabay, sige gumalaw ka sa tugo-tugo pack. Say what?
Calling Agent X44. You are needed.
Papahiyaw sila sa aking forma. Lalapit-lapit pa hanggang makita si Superpalicious Man. Superpalicious, sayaw ko ay contagious. Superpalicious, Superpalicious Man. Toto ni tatay, kumukha ko ba si Papa? Don't call me Daddy, I'm more than ordinary. Just call me Papa, a hero, a legend, amazing, super Superpalicious Man. Superpalicious, sayaw ko ay contagious. Superpalicious, Superpalicious Man. Ang aking mata ay nakakatunaw at nakakalusaw. Sabi nga nila, sabi
We all know that you're talented
And you're guapo.
and you're funny and you make so many people happy.
But to the nation's best secret is...
Your age! Your what? Your age! Jeez! Happy birthday, Bong, from your fans in Sydney.
I'm Miracle.
I'm Jaden. And I'm Imelda.
God bless and continue to make people happy all over the world.
We love you, Bong!
Hello, Sir Bong. Happy birthday. Tatalaga ko muna ng Olive Monsters kay utol na si Rot or Rotan Balin, at si Apple. More blessing. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bong Navarro!
Stay focused.
More blessings to come.
More success.
Ingat palagi. Good luck sa career. We love you and God bless.
I love you. Bye-bye. Annyeong!
And I'm Miguel Cruz from Dilipusorio, Batangas, and I just want to greet you. Happy birthday po, and I just want you to know po that I'm your fan, super fan po, and happy birthday po ulit. Okay, being a kind boy po, kind artist, so yun po, I love you so much, Sir Bong.
Sa pinaka-macho, pinaka-gwapong lalaki sa buong mundo, sa lalaking nagpapakilig ng milyong-milyong babae tuwing tanghalian, yung tipong kahit di ka na kumain, makita ka lang tuwing tanghalian, busog na kami. Happy birthday, Sir Bong. More blessings to come. At sana marami ka pang taong mapasaya tuwing tanghali. Happy birthday!
Hi, Sir Bong. Happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life, more success in your career, and good health to you and your family. May you continue inspiring and making other people happy. God bless you.
Agent X44, Gandang Boy, at the Another. Siya ay Simbibo sa programang Todo Max. Isama natin ang programang Lastic Man. Dito siya ay aming nakilalang lubusan. Sa pag-awit at pagdrama, may ibubuga din. Pero pagdating sa pagpatawa at sayawan, siya ang aming idolong tunay. Bong Navarro nga pala ang kanyang pangalan. Mr. Papa Bol Bong Navarro, una po sa lahat, binabati po namin kayo na happy birthday.
More blessings to come, maintain your good health, and your successful career.
Sana po patuloy pa rin po ang inyong pagsikat, hindi lang po sa Pilipinas, kundi po sa buong mundo. Kinocongrats ko rin po pala kayo dahil po sa pagiging successful po ng inyong programang Showtime. Muli po, binabati po namin kayo ng happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Bong. Stay foggy. God bless. More blessings to come. I love you. More success.
Annyeong. Sarang hai.
Annyeong. Sarang.
Idol, happy birthday and salamat sa lahat and sensya ka na, medyo maingay nandito ako sa street eh. O, yun o. Yung mga barkada ko. Thank you nga pala dun sa at medyo naging masaya yung pagstay namin dyan sa Pilipinas. More blessings to come sa huwag mong pababayaan ng sarili mo. We will keep on supporting you. Sana yung love life mo maging bonggang-bongga pa rin. See you soon na lang and ingat parate. God bless you. At maging bongga pa ang career mo and good luck pa sa darating ng mga projects. Bye-bye!
Kahit tatlo lang kami ngayon, Kuya Bong.
Kuya Bong! Hop! Happy birthday! Mula po sa XB Jensen.
Nagmula pa kami sa General Santos City, Mindanao.
Mula sa XB Jensen.
Tama na! This is your show! This is your time! It's showtime! Venga, baby. 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 Baby.
Happy birthday, Kuya Bong! We love you!
Idol! Happy birthday! Salamat po
boys. Pasada kayo doon. Kaya tayo rin lalab. Next mo lang ako kung ano kailangan ko. Kung may kailangan sa akin, at sigurado ako pag may kailangan ako, ikaw puntahan. Love you, Kuis. Happy birthday.
Kuis! Happy birthday! Isa ka sa mga tinuturing ko na kaibigan, totoong kaibigan at kaibigan na maaasahan. Hindi lang kaibigan pero kapamilya. Tinuring mo ako na kapamilya araw-araw. Maraming salamat for always being a friend, always being a family. I love you, Kuis. Rock and roll.
Gabong, happy birthday sa'yo. Alam mo, mahal na mahal kita kang kapatid, tatay. Alam mo naman, sobrang mahal kita.
Love you, Kuya Bong. Happy birthday.
Kuya Bong, I love you. Alam mo naman yan. Happy birthday.
Mahal ka daw niyo. Crush ka niya.
Ay, sana makasama tayo habang buhay.
Ay, ayun.
Hindi naman asawa, pero mahal kita.
Sa isang bahay. Sa isang kwarto.
Okay lang. Kung kapaya ka.
Sa kama.
Ikaw, gusto mo? Kuya Bong, talaga malaking salamat ako sa inyo. I love you. I love you too.
Bong, Kuya Bong, happy birthday sa'yo. Grabe. I wish you all the best and ayun, stick naman yung career mo kaya sana okay pa rin. I wish you all the best, Kuya. I love you.
All the babes, they want to add or buy me as their pet. They send me gifts at pinupoke ng paulit-ulit. They write so many comments on my wall katulad ng Hey Mr. Papa Ball, please lang mag-poke baka naman. Mr. Papa Ball, la 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 lava ball, hug a ball and